Hi everyone and welcome, it's me Raymondo. So what we're doing is we're going to pop out and just check a quick geocache. We've got to go to a memorial, so we're going to have a look at this particular memorial and then it should give us some coordinates to go and find the geocache. So yeah, I hope you enjoy it. It's just a short one and I'm testing out the Action 4 for the first time. So please folks, if you can, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel if you enjoy this type of content. Thank you. So here we are at the RAF Stirling Memorial. So here there was a crash of the Stirling 4-engine bomber, serial number EH988. It was on a flight from RAF Winthorpe to Northern Ireland and it suffered a loss of power, first from one engine and then from two. The pilot struggled to control the aircraft and attempted to reach RAF Hucknall, where we're not far away from there. As the machine became increasingly unmanageable, he had no option but to attempt a forced landing in the fields. Unfortunately, however, the aircraft continued to lose height rapidly, made a wide turn over this area, and it flew in an easterly direction near the site of the memorial and crashed into a ridge just east of here. So this is the stone that they placed by the Annesley Memorial in 1998. So I've been here before, but because we're doing this geocache, I figured I would bring you back and show it you again. There's something over here I think we should look at as well. Planted, but can't see young. So obviously this little area here was planted. So yeah, the good lady's now working out the coordinates because this has got specific coordinates, and then we're going to go and see if we can find it. Okay, so we tried to work out the coordinates for the RAF Stirling Memorial geocache, but we cannot figure it out because it's wanting you to use bearings, so we haven't really got a clue what we're doing. So I gave up on that one. We've then walked to the second cache, which we've got to, and that required special tools, which we don't have. And then we walked up to the third geocache, which we found okay. So yeah, so we found one so far, and now we're heading to where we know there's another one local to where we live. So yeah, and it's a really nice day today. I'll just show you. It's turned out nice, beautiful weather. Now we're away from the main road. Nice countryside setting. Right, so it's in this location somewhere. Oh God, it could be anywhere, man. It's always fun when you try to find a geocache. At least it's easier in winter. Oh, got it. So I've got it, guys, but it's buried. Ah.
You don't want to look dodgy. Just filming over the field or something.
I'll show you in the distance with a dip in the valley and the hill, and you can see it's been extremely muddy, so we're trying to avoid doing any that's basically through fields if it can be helped. So yeah, that's the second geocache found. There's some people walking towards us, so we're trying to be discreet, do it as quick as we could, then put it back. I think there's potential 2 more that we can do. They're like starting to get a little bit low now. I think the camera's working alright. So far so good. Yay, another geocache found. It's a lovely container, this one, shaped like a church. Good one, that. So yeah, 3 geocaches found today. Woohoo! Yeah, so we're done today now. We're not going to do any more. We've decided that 3's enough for an afternoon. We've been busy today anyway, so just want to take this opportunity to say a massive thank you to our new member, TSG Adventures. So he's a new member to the channel at the platinum level, along with Ramon Lamares, and also massive thanks to my regular members. This is Zeppo and Joe Blalock, as always. Thank you very much, folks, for your support, and to everyone else who watches the channel. Please be sure to check the next episode, where I will be visiting the old Annesley Church. Thank you.